Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Standard 12, subject Information Technology for Science stream, and we are learning the chapter Advanced JavaScript. In today's session, we are going to learn the second part of loops. Some more loops we will be studying in JavaScript. In the last session, we had a brief introduction to the for loop with its syntax, how to write the for loop, its properties, and some example programs. Today, let's learn about the while and the do while loop. Okay, so we had the looping part, that is the iteration, which refers to the execution of certain statements which are executed fixed number of times or till the condition is satisfied. So we were learning the for loop last time. Now let's see the while loop and the do while loop. The while loop tests the condition before executing any of the statements. Here the condition is tested first. While in the do while loop, it tests the condition after statements have been executed within the loop. This is the difference between the two. So we will see some sample programs, then you will get a better understanding of it. So the while loop is a control flow statement that allows the code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. Okay, the while loop loops through a block of code as long as the condition evaluates to true. As soon as the condition fails, the loop is stopped. That is the theory of it. That is, when the condition becomes false, loop terminate, and that's the end of its iteration cycle. Okay, so there is a syntax here. First, we are initializing the variable. So var a or a is equal to 1. Here you give the initialization. What we used to give in the for loop, all three statements together. I is equal to 1, I less than or is equal to 10, I plus or I plus is equal to 2. Now we have to write it in three different lines. All will not be together in one statement or one bracket. First, we will be writing the initialization on top. Then you start with the while loop. In the while, you will be only doing the checking. The first value till the end value. Okay, whether it is less than or the greater than or is equal to, any type of checking you will be doing in the while, the expression. And in the curly braces, you are writing the statement to be executed and increment or the decrement statement. So this is the syntax which has to be followed. Initialization first, then while, check, display, and then increment or decrement. Okay, so this is the syntax of it. So let's see a sample program using the while loop to generate even numbers. This is a program to generate even numbers. So I'll start with script language is equal to JavaScript. Here I want two variables if I am not specifying the last value. And if I am specifying the last value, I need only one variable. Okay, this is already explained in the last session. Still, again, I am revising it. So if there is last value unspecified, you have to give the prompt. The program should not go in the infinite loop. Okay, so here the variable I is equal to 2. First value will be 2, and up till what it should check for even numbers, that constant will be saved in n. So n will be executed every time as a new number. If I want to check from 2 to 30, here I have to say enter the number n 30. Now here I am generating only from 2 to 10. So first initial will be 2, last will be 10. So here I have to say n is equal to prompt, enter the number. while I is less than or is equal to n. It should execute this block of code. Display and increment it by 2. Here it is an even number. So the next will be plus 2 every time. Okay, if it is odd number, first number will be 1 and then it will be incremented by 2. So the writing procedure becomes different. So logic you have to apply here. So now I is what? 2. First number is displayed. Now it is checking. Okay. 2 is less than, n is how much? Say 10. 2 is less than 10. Yes. 2 will be displayed. 2 will be incremented. Next number is 4. 4 is less than 10. Yes. Okay. Display 4. Increment. 6. 6 is less than 10. Yes. Display. So till 10 it will check. 8 is here. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is less than or is equal to 10. Yes. It will display. Incremented becomes 12. 12 is less than 10. No. Okay. So it will display till 10. So you have to write this statement and this statement properly. Then only the output will be proper. Okay. So here there is initialization. If there is a prompt, it has to be given here. Otherwise, directly after variable, you are coming to the while statement. The checking expression, display, and the increment or the decrement. So follow the syntax properly. Every program will be different. So this is the program to generate even numbers. Next, let's see one more example to generate a table of any number. Okay, this here you have to specify the number of whatever you are generating the table of. So here I am generating the table of 3. Okay, so n will be prompt, enter the number. N is the number which table it is to be generated. 1 is to check every time and 1 is to store the variable. So 3 variables I have declared and initial variable is assigned the value 1. Now when n will be 3, 3 will be constant. Okay, I'm generating table of 3. So n is prompted. While 3 is less, 1. 1 is less than or is equal to 10. It will go in the loop. Table is equal to, what is the value of n? 3. 3 into, what is I? First one, 1. 3 ones are 3. It will display in the table. So plus t also you can write or you can give a word also, anything. Plus 3. Then it will increment I by 1. I was 1. Now I became 2. 2 is less than 10. Yes. What is n? 3. 3 into 2. So it will display 6. What is I now? 3. What is n? 3 only. Okay. So n into I. 3 into 3. So I should be incremented every time. N will be constant. 3 threes are 9. 9 is displayed here. Then I becomes 4. I plus plus means plus 1. 1 we are not writing. If it is incremented by 2, we say I plus is equal to 2. 3 we say I plus is equal to 3. If it is 1 only, then we say I plus plus. These increment operators we have learned last year. So make a application here in the program. So I becomes 4 now. 3 into 4. N is 3. I is 4 now. So 3 fours are 12. Like this it will execute the program till it becomes 10. I becomes 10. So I was 1. Till I becomes 10. 10 into n. N is 3. 30. Till then it will stop. Because the next number I will be 11. 11 is not less than 10. So the loop will be exited here. Okay, so here is the variable initialization. Then the while loop, display calculation if there is, display the statement or increment or decrement. So this is the program explaining to generate the table of any number. So here we use the while loop. Next, let's see the do while loop. This loop is not explained in the textbook. It's an exercise for you to find out the syntax of do while loop. And you are told to find the differences between the while and the do while loop. So here, let's learn it. So you have to note down all the details of this loop because it is not there in the textbook, but it is included in the syllabus. Okay. So here, the do while loop is a variant of the while loop which evaluates the condition at the end of each loop iteration. With a do while loop, the block of code executed once, then the condition is evaluated. If the condition is true, statement is repeated as long as the specified condition evaluated to is true. Okay, till the condition is true, it is evaluated. When it becomes false, the loop is exited. Okay, so in the second slide, I have shown the differences between the do while and the while loop. Okay, still we will see. The do while starts with execution of statements. There is no checking of any condition for the first time. Next condition is checked for true or false. If it's true, next iteration of loop starts. If it is false, loop terminates. So do while loop executes statements at least once before any condition is checked. Okay, do while loop executes statements at least once before any condition is checked. Oh, that's one. So this is a sample program. Again, same to generate a sequence of numbers 1 to 10. Okay, so I'll take only one variable. Initial value is 1. So according to the syntax, it says do write the statements and while will be down, while till the condition is checked. So here we have to declare the variable and initialize value, then start with do. Earlier program there was while into bracket the expression to be checked. Here it is do. Do what it will do in the loop? It will display, increment, and then outside the loop it will check here. That is the syntax. So first value is 1. This is executed only once and it's displayed. I is 1, I plus plus, I becomes 2. Okay, so only this part is repeated. I is less than 10. Yes, so it will display 2. Then document dot write 2 will be here. Then I plus plus 2 plus 1 3. 3 is less than 10. Yes, displayed. Then 3 plus 1 4. 4 is less than 10. Yes, displayed. Like this it will go on till it becomes 10. 10 is equal to 10. Yes, till then it will be executed. So this is the syntax. Do display the statement with a break or without break, increment or decrement till it becomes true. Okay, so this was to generate the numbers. Next is table of any number. Just using the while loop, how I have explained, same. So this, let's see an example with a do while. So here prompt is used. See, the prompt I have used. So same program I am executing using the do while loop here. Writing procedure is different. N was for the table value which is to be generated. So I am generating the table of 3. I is the initial value to be multiplied 3 into 1. Okay. Then next number 3 into 2, 3 into 3. So N will be constant as 3. I should be incremented by 1 for the multiples. And the third variable is to store the value in the memory. So N is to be prompted. So n, I'm generating the table of 3. Do table into n into 1. Calculation you have to give. Document dot write to display. Increment it. The variable should be incremented and then it is the checking. So I is 1 here. Okay. 3 into 1. 3 will be displayed. I becomes 2. 2 is less than 10? Yes. 3 into 2. It will display 6. I becomes 3. 3 is less than 10? Yes. 3 into 3. What it will display? Third value 9. Then I becomes 4. 4 is less than 10? Yes. 3 into 4. It will display the next value. So this way it will be executed till I reaches 10. Or 3 tens are 30. Okay. I should not be 11. I is incremented. Okay, otherwise 3 into 11, it will display 33 also, the next number, the next multiple. But here it is checking till 10. So while I is less than or is equal to 10, it should follow this loop iteration. That is the meaning of it. So this is a way to work with the do while loop. You have to be thorough with the loop syntax, variable declaration also, and the logic to be followed in the program. You see, every program looks different. It is written also, executed also differently. Some loops are executed till the condition becomes true. Some after the condition becomes false, they are terminated. Different loops are having different types of exiting program. Apply your mathematical formula here to solve such questions in scripts. Try to understand and practice as much as you can. Then only you will be able to do it by yourself. Okay? Learn programming thoroughly. It is very important in the program point of view in papers. Okay? Thank you.